Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2017 Toyota 86, stock number 6170. It's run from the 10th 2016 to the 9th 2021. It has a FA 22-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a FA 22-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front 17-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Left front door mirror. Left front door, no dents. Left rear 17-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Left rear tail light. Rear boot lid, no dents. Right rear tail light. Right rear 17-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Right front door, no dents. Right front 17-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Right front guard, no dents. Right front door mirror. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Centre console, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory single stack stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,